I've been working on a window with some clear glass. The glass in that window were plates that a client had that she had been saving from one of her relatives. I'm here at the thrift store wondering what other kind of treasures might be here. Look at that, for corn. Fun. Now what I'm looking for are things with a pretty flat edge like that, because it's harder to foil around scallops. This scallop isn't too scallopy. Something like this might be more difficult. First of all, it's very thick, and it's got just those little points. So I'm going to keep looking. Now these may not work in a window, but look at the fun design here. That might be an inspiration.
Well, here's what we're going to let you down.
So he tells me that you know Asian antiquities and ceramics.
Yes.
I
As
had,
today, these Thai Buddhas came in the 15th century.
yeah. I got kicked around. I visited Bull Rock. I talked to the.
So this window is made out of plates. My client had a handful of these little snack plates that she wanted made into a window. And I think that this pattern just really lent itself. And so here's that whole thing. And I am on the last few pieces of foiling. So I've got them all foiled, except for these about 5 or 6 over this way. And then after that, they will be ready to solder. Now I do have one over here that is all soldered, and that's what that looks like. These are going to be side lights on either side of her front door. Now this one would be finished, except I'm not sure what color she wants the patina. So I'm leaving it silver for now, but she might want it to be bronze or black or even copper. I wouldn't suggest copper for this one. It just doesn't feel like that would be right. But it's all ready to go, and we're working on the second one. And that's what some ideas that you could have if you have some old snack plates laying around, that they can go into a beautiful window.